So I'll just show you how to pair a mobile. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on. When Bluetooth's on, onto the phone there, or you can, I'll do it the long way, you can either click the phone or go to setup then Bluetooth, pair new device. Please start pairing from your Bluetooth device. When device request pin, enter 1234. It's come up there already, Nissan Connect, so click on there, 1, 2, 3, 4, pair. Do you want your contacts and favourites to sync? I don't, but you will. I won't be using the vehicle again. So that's it, connected. It takes a little while longer for the, although my phone's connected, you're best just waiting for this to, there you go, Bluetooth device successfully connected. If you click off too soon, then sometimes it hasn't worked and you've got to do it all again.